Hello, I just made some 90-second bread. It is Thursday. I'm hungry, so I make me an egg, bacon, and cheese sandwich, but y'all know I'm on keto, so I found this 90-second bread recipe. So basically, you get like a dish. I have one of these. You put 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. A tablespoon of butter. You want to put the butter in the dish and melt it first, and then dump your 3 tablespoons of almond powder. I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 egg, and you mix everything up together in the bowl and put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And this is what we have. So we're gonna go from there, and I'll let you know how it tastes. So I fixed my egg and bacon. This is how it looked. I toasted it on both sides. Let's see how it tastes. I had to pray first. It's not bad. It'll do. Like, probably could add a little salt and pepper to it, maybe. But it's not bad for a keto person. I'll play around with it some more and see what it do. These. I'm ending my night with a smoothie. I wasn't really in the best mood today. I'm feeling good. So for dinner, I had a sausage, a pork sausage, and I did eat it on a regular bun. I really didn't care. And now I'm ending my night with a smoothie and taking my supplements. So these are my collagen pills. These things are like horse pills, so I have to cut them up to get them down. And I got 6 of my chlorella pills, and then my vitamin D pill, and I drank my vitamin C while I was downstairs. So that's it for the day. That's all I got for you. A good smoothie and my vitamins. Y'all have a good night. Hope everybody have a good day tomorrow, Friday. Peace.